people are gone, you don't know me the facts now, we come to talk facts, you see me? We don't talk trash. You see me? Yeah man, people. Yeah man, we just there and go easy, you see me? Yeah man, blessings to all fans, you see me? Yeah man. Music, dancehall. Yeah man, so people.
Media Fox, how the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
Tell you know. For what they make people mark, so we're going for Masicka, you see me? But you don't look good at all. And I've got to tell my people when Masicka there. Cause Masicka last scene, see it there? It's a last scene photo. You see it? Yeah man. Yeah man, this is last scene photo in the people, so we don't know how go on, you know. Masicka again at the game for a while, I know, and but it's like no, like it's like when him do a song, him get a hot song, run the place for a little while, then them run with that in at the party and every little thing. But after that, if he not drop no song, he just if that thing say him not drop no song, you wonder yo, what really a go on? You see me? I don't know if he might cry out for help or what. You see me? Because you know I believe with Masicka people. Masicka is a good artist, you know. You see me? He's a good artist, but I just feel like say him get too much hand in hand. Like him not build something for himself. Like most time big song them is a collab song. And if you check dancehall history, the artists them before them have create a catalog by themselves. See? Masicka biggest song right now. I know Fame, but my part it a hit and run with Shenssea. See? Hit and run. And you know Fame solo song is They Don't Know and big song. See? But him sang them like him and Joshy. Zane, him and Dexter Dap, you see me? Him and Cartel, you see it? Them big artists, they give him the strength and the push, but it's like him, them thing they, you know, get for show the people in the real and say, oh,
I need you subscribe.
Him have some one I look a song and thing, but it's like when him do a song, run the place, and then when him get a new one, now it's like the people him forget about the last one they drop. You see me? So it's like the song them not really a staple like that. You see me? It's like when any move we make, him thing not did it. You see me? Cause if you see Sting last year, the man say who can save Sting? I think so them would have said Masicka for save Sting. But them say Alkaline. But at the end of the year, a Masicka get the artist of the year. So I say, yo, Jano, how them do the crux lad so? You tell me say man I run the place and the man not even put up the man for say how him can save Sting. I say yo Jano. But you don't know Masicka get signed, you see me, but it's like I don't know, him himself don't know why him signed, cause the man have a contract for about a year. You see, but it's like he must say yo after the year him go sign, like him not sure, cause the man say him done the Caribbean, which you can never done the Caribbean. You see me? Because to be honest, Masicka not reach a level there yet. You see me? Him not reach a level there yet, like, and him, you know, him not that 200 on him performance, them and thing, and you know, all of them look something there. You see me? And him get a lot of endorsement in a dancehall. You see me? I feel like him should have reached more further in the game. You see me? Him should have reached more further. I get some solo shows to an hour, them look a thing there. You see me? Yeah, man. But it's like, I don't know. He just not did it. You see it? Right now, nobody can find him. You see it? I remember in the crux them, you know. So I wonder what really go on. I think say would not that mean if he artist I get the artist of the year. I don't know. I want go on like the man them take away him look at energy and everything. Him stay silent, you know. You see it? But Masicka him need to build that foundation there with himself. Like majority and big song them a collapse. So it's like you know really have that showcase of say, oh yo this. You see me? Like you don't know him and Cartel get that infrared and him and Dexter that get blessing and him and Shenssea get hit and run, him and Joshy get pieces. You don't know him and Bounty get something too. You see me? Him a do a lot. Masicka do a lot of collabs. You see, but it's like I don't know what you know really. I give him that thing in a dancehall to say, yo, him do this or way. It's like if you say him do it by himself, it not did it. You understand? Can get a lot of endorsement. You see? So people are gonna look on that and say, yo, you know. It's like any hot topic or anything for save in a dancehall, him can't really do that. You see me? Him not really did it so. You see it? So I don't really know what going on, people. From the year start, it are going on 5 months now. Nothing now going. I see him drop couple collab for the year. Him and Cranium. Him drop him and
I need you to subscribe.
him and I think this foreign artist him drop. You see it? And him drop I don't know, him and French Montana. Message drop something. But it's like when I too nobody too talk about it and thing. You see me? But people I want really wonder what go on. Cause the last time me hears it's like him a do a dub. So must say JLP. Politics the dog thing they look like. You see me? Politics the dog thing there. So I don't really know what go on. But him have to start out him thing cause we were dancehall working a dancehall no partial nobody you know. You understand? But I feel like say you can't just easy and did it. People them will keep you out of my side. I not see you because every man lucky with that, you know. You see me? Not every man lucky with that at all. You see it? But I don't know what I want. Because him sign. But it's like, I think so they would have push Masicka out there. Put him on some big shows and, you know, promote him things. Seem like all them on the skilly thing and thing. But it's like, no, no, go on, I wonder what go on. You understand? Him did drop an album last year, but look like the album no, you man with the album. Like, they nobody drop it. I don't know what go on, they don't drop it, but I don't know what go on, like, I don't know if it label. I say, yo, I eat this or what. Or them a try with him. Zika. I tell the people. But I think Masicka don't really have that strong fans there. You understand? They don't really have that strong fans, the people. You see, he morely have sheer fans. Right now, most of them fans are maybe like Gaza fans, you see me? Yeah, but in the real, if you call out Masicka fan them, it's like some of them are gonna say, yo. Some are gonna say, yo, a Bounty fan. Some are say Cartel fan. Some are say Joshy fan. Maybe some are gonna say Popcorn fan. You understand? They don't really have nothing to say, yo, this you know. They don't really have no positive, no strong force to say, yo, crooks. You see, the fans are really strong like that. You see it? Like how you have like a Gaza thing or Vendetta thing. You see it? Yeah. Nothing that not dead with him. You see it? Cause him not really set the pace yet to say, yo, where him just run the place for a little time and then him newest song play and everything and then after that now everything go back to normal. You see it? But just open the label, just try something with him, but I don't know what
I need you to subscribe.
see preview a lot of songs, but I don't know how like him free to drop it or something. So I don't really know what I want. You see me? Or I don't know if you leave a bench him or what. You see it? Cause enough of them artists I say them go sign and thing and I know what them are sign for. You understand? If you're not the fans, it don't make no sense, you know. You see? If you're not the fans, it don't make no sense. You gotta do nothing with the label because you have to need fans to buy your music so the label can make back money. You see? So you have to build fans. You have to have, over the last 10 years, you have to have some songs, some hits. We build a fan over the years by yourself. You can have 1 and 2 collab there and then. But majority of your time in the business, you're supposed to have a good catalog for create your fans. You see, if you don't have that great catalog for create your fans, I eat that. I tell people, the game kind of change right now. You see it, so you have to dominate, create the thing from early. You're supposed to do at least 10 years to create the foundation, then the fans, the base, and then like for the next 15 to 20 years. You just go and polish off things and everything. But in your first 10 years, you're supposed to set the pace and dominate and know, say, yo, yeah, do it and every little thing. You see me? But I don't know, most of Masicka song them will go bigger. I like him collab them way. Do the real damage, you see me? Yeah man, but I don't know right now. I don't know if he might look for your help or what. You see, because I know he must have need some help because he don't look good. He don't look good at all. You see it? But him book for a couple shows and things, so I see what I go on. You see it? But he don't look good at all. Just hope say Def Jam and bench him, you see me? Because that wouldn't even look good, people, man, I tell you. That wouldn't look good at all. It wouldn't look good. You see it? Because him supposed to do some waves like, you see me? But when Dancehall really
I need you to subscribe.
that artist, so then would have say, yo, where, like at this moment, I'm not really in the picture like that. You see me? I'm not really in the picture like that. So everything what him did do last year is like this year we don't know what really I want. You see me? That me I try to say people, so he's a good artist and thing, but he's an artist who need to build himself and know where he want. I'm gonna feel like him know what him really want. You see me? Yeah, I'm gonna feel like him know what him really want. You see? Cause for sure you see him there on an interview and the brother asked him, say, yo, why the group or you know the stuff them in a school where they participate in a music and thing. The man say Cartel and Baby Sham pass through the school, can go Calabar, so remember them and I asked him, you know, what musical group or musical studying or so in usually go on in a school. See him? So the man cut out all of that. He don't know how to answer the question. Because how somebody if ask you about music, like you know, in Jamaica you have like all together sing and them something. You see me, where people train to go up on TV and win competition and win money. But this one you're going to talk about Cartel and Baby Shan pass through Calabar and thing. I say, yo, John, I think that brother really know what he want to do with his career. You know? Yeah, man, I think Masicka know what he want to do with his career. You see it, but I have to know people. But people might wonder what really are going with him and just disappear, so what going on. You see me? But you don't know people. I mean the facts, you know. Yeah, man. Big up everybody. That is it.